Hi everyone, welcome to Zooming Chinese. As we all know, Chinese is a challenger language as it has thousands of characters and particular approaches to pronunciation. Maybe you have just starting or have been for a while and haven't met to learning groups. In this video, I will tell you the secret of learning Chinese faster for beginners. You can tell others. Here are my top 5 tips to help you learning Chinese the smartest and fast way. Number 1. Decided to learning Mandarin or Cantonese. Decided whether you want to learn Mandarin or Cantonese. Many people think that Mandarin and Cantonese are dialects of the same language, but they are different. Mandarin is spoken most in mainland China and Southeast Asia, and it's a good to choice if you are planning a trip to China or you want to able to be communicated with Chinese people. Cantonese is spoken more in Guangdong, Hong Kong, and Macau, so it might be ideal for communicated with people from Guangdong, Hong Kong, and Macau. Number 2. Set a smart goals. Before setting a good goals, find the reason you are learning Chinese. Is it for fun or because you are moving there in a few months or you come to China to study and do business? Answering this question will help you to develop a personal deadline, a specific to study plan. When setting goals, make sure they are smart goals. This means the goals is specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timeless. These 5 components work together to make much more effective targets. For example, a more specific and measurable goal would be learning to spell 30 new words and this month.
Vocabularies, and you write down characters, pinyin, meaning.
Number 3. Master the basics. Mandarin Chinese is a tonal language, which means that different tone can change the meaning of a word. It is essential to learning the different tone if you wish to speak Mandarin Chinese correctly. Mandarin Chinese has 4 main tones as follows. Number 4. Learning some basic conversational phrases. Practice basic phrases like hello, 你好, thank you, 谢谢, and goodbye, 再见. Start with basic conversational Chinese you can get familiar with the language. Number 5. Be patient and don't give up. Learning a language takes time and will not always come to naturally. Be patient with yourself and the process, and you will be able to stick to your journey and reach your goals. Fighting! That's all for today. Let me know if you have any question. Don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media. If you want to know how to learn Chinese, subscribe to Zooming 老师. See you next video!